guys, welcome back to another episode of This versus That. So for the past few weeks, I have been putting this thing through its pace. This is a RimoMic Lite. I have never seen a product like this before. It's kind of interesting to me. But what you're hearing from me right now is through this little mic right here. Like I said, I have been using this to do pretty much my video, my product videos and things like that, and I've been using this thing on my phone. It is super easy to use. This is a lightning port adapter that you see here. You just plug it straight into the phone and it works. But yeah, right now I'm actually recording it on this phone and you're hearing the audio from me right now. But yeah, I've been using this and so far it has worked out really well, and I think I'm finally able to give my review on this. So first thing first is that compared to all of my other wireless mic that I have used, this is probably the simplest thing that you can use if you have a phone, if you shoot with your phone. The simplest thing you can use. Literally you plug it in and it just powers up. You turn on the power on this thing right here, which is the mic that I have hanging here. Most people have it on their shirt. I just find it, since I'm wearing a cap, it's easier to just wear it right here. You see that? So yeah, but yeah, it is probably the most easiest thing that you can use if you are using your phone and trying to get good audios. If you've seen some of my other videos, I do have adapters that comes out of the iPhone, and then you plug it in and convert some of the TRS to TRRS, or I don't even know. But again, this is the most simplest adapter that I've ever seen. You just plug it into your iPhone. When the phone goes to sleep, this thing right here actually goes to sleep with it. So you can see right there, you have a little LCD right there. Yeah, so this thing actually goes to sleep with it. I don't have to mess around with anything. And when you wake the phone up, this LCD comes on, the power comes on. This device is actually using power from the phone. The only thing you gotta charge is this right here that I'm talking into, and it's a USB-C. So yeah, it's super easy. Okay, so now with the pros and cons about this. The pros is that it's super easy to use. All right, you just plug it in, it powers up. You don't have to charge this device at all. You only have to charge this little thing right here. Second pros is that if you use it on like the Q3 like this, because protrude out a little bit of your phone, you can actually use it on a gimbal and have good audios. Third things is that if you use a gimbal like this and you want to do some face tracking, it will work. Yes, it will work with the mic and everything, so it's awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I use something like this with a device like the Zhiyun. As you can see, this device is pretty small, low profile, so I don't have to worry too much about it when it's on the gimbal. It's just kind of part of the phone, so it balances just fine. There's no wires coming out of it that jacks up with the balance. So the way I use the Zhiyun is that I use the face tracking features, because since I film myself talking quite a bit, this wireless mic I can actually get up and walk back. So let's step back real quick. So now I have wireless audio, and this thing is tracking me right now. And that's kind of my use case right there. The audio sounds good. I don't have to be near the camera in order to hear it. So as you can see right there, I just walk back here. Works. As long as it sees my face, I think I'm good. You know, but again, now as I'm walking back more, the audio should work just fine. Walking up, things like that. So that's kind of my use case for a device like this. I love it. It's one of the most easiest thing that I've ever used. It's fantastic. I really like it. So yeah, that's my that's my little demonstration for here. So yeah guys, that's it for me. That is my review of this little device here. I mean, there's nothing much to talk about it other than the fact that it's really compact and portable. You can just pop it on your hat like this or on your shirt if you want to, but it'll work on a gimbal, and that's the most important thing for me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy that. I will see you guys in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.